Or good. At least that means I probably can play some music again. I was playing music that Jazzy and Juicy like. So that music that I was playing is their music. And mine too, some of it. You know, with her being from New Orleans, she like all kinds of music. Can you imagine? Have you ever been to New Orleans before, sis? Oh, hey. Hey, Avia, how's it going? You dropped in to say hello? Thank you for dropping by. Any of you guys been to New Orleans? For Mardi Gras or anything? Hey, you back. Thank you. You know what? Now we can probably play some music. What you think? Since it started over. Hey. What I'm doing is not yet. I know. We need to go, girl. I just been going by TV shows and pictures. I want to actually go take Jazzy to New Orleans. Since she's supposed to be from there. I was supposed to go this year, but you know, with this coronavirus, it changed everything, man. Might just roll through there. Hey, thank you for coming back, Fabulous Femi. I don't know what happened, but we're going to keep it moving. I'm almost done with this step, though. I didn't put enough glue on it. The thing about this, you want to make sure you put enough glue. Girl, has it not been a surprise? I'm trying to figure out what has not happened this year. I tell you, a lot of things that's been hidden in the dark is coming out now. That's what that is. Some of this stuff been happening. We just didn't know it. The truth will always find you out. Y'all see how I formed this with my hands? Thank you. Yeah. She's been getting on to him today in my little curvy world. So we had to hurry up and help brother out. She want her entryway done. He say she bossy. That's what the little girl get it from her. She get it from both of them though. He bossy too. In the storyline, y'all will see. Now that we got the foundation of the story down, we was talking about New Orleans, how we wanted to go to New Orleans, and I was supposed to go this year, and this crazy year happened. I wanted to take the dolls with me and go to New Orleans and take some real pictures of New Orleans since she's from there in the storyline. And we was just talking about how crazy 2020 is. It's changed everybody's plans. Y'all see that? That's the frame. I didn't hot glue this side. We're going to see. I think I do need to hot glue it though. Femi, I think I might have to hot glue it. I was trying to see if I did need to. Let's let that dry. I might have to hot glue it. That's a little uneven there. think I should have made this a little thicker. Yeah, that needs to be thicker. Going across there like that. Let me make this right quick. I'm gonna make that thicker. Yes, man. Oh yeah, I'm going to these conventions. I got to now. Since I'm committed. I'm committed to the cause now. This is what I do. Have you been to one before? Convention? Barbie convention? I want to go to a lot of Barbie events. Y'all my peoples. I would love to meet you guys one day. It's fun to find a group of people that have the same interests. I look at y'all like my family and my coworkers. We be working, helping these dolls. But what we do is really special, guys. I mean, people could be having a bad day and then they look on Instagram and see our pictures and they feel better. Don't y'all agree? What we do is very important. I be wanting to brighten somebody's day when they see my pictures. You can't depend on TV for that sometimes. All that crazy stuff they be having. We have an important role, y'all. That's why people like social media. It's definitely an escape for me, for sure. You know, when things got real bad, I just started crafting. I was like, I ain't worried about that on the news. I'm not going to worry about that. Let me go ahead and start working on these doll houses. I'll be just fine. And I was. You got to do what you got to do. I think everybody needs some kind of hobby. Some kind of outlet. You got to have it. Yeah, I see. Yeah, you got your hobbies, Avia. I like how you paint furniture. Our size furniture. You make them big, I make them miniature size. One day we're going to have a project that we do together. I think that's going to be better. I had to make this one thicker to cover that up. So that's why I did that. Yeah, we got to make some projects together. Some of us make some really nice clothes around here. Some of us do doll customs real good. Some of us build things like I do. I do a little bit of all of it though. I just love anything to do with dolls. I can't wait till I come to Texas too, girl. We're going to have to work that out. For real. We're going to have to do it. You're just gonna have to do it. I feel like I belong to Texas. That's why my little curvy world, they are in Texas. And the storyline is Texas. Maple Leaves is in somewhere in Texas. Because I'm supposed to be there. I'm going to get there one day. Somebody on Facebook come in. Now, I got Facebook running, but I don't think anybody's on the Facebook side. What I think I'm going to do, I'm going to just start doing the Instagram and bring YouTube up on my other phone. See if we can get some people on YouTube. Your main doll is a fashion designer and she is working on a new fashion line. Yeah, girl. I can't wait to see it. Can't wait to see it. My blue-haired girl is a dressmaker. I've been so busy working on the Jenkins house that I ain't get a chance to... Oh, you laughing at me? That I haven't been able to get her storyline going with her dresses and stuff. I will, though. I love making dolls.